Let's be honest here, growing a YouTube channel is hard. If you feel like YouTube is ignoring your channel, you are not alone. But here's the truth. There are few big mistakes that is keeping us small YouTubers stuck. And today, we are fixing them. YouTube doesn't care how much effort you put into your videos. If your videos does not get clicked, or people click but do not watch till the end, YouTube will not push them. This is not personal, it's just how the algorithm works. If you've been struggling, your chances are you're almost making one of these big mistakes. Now let's look at the mistakes. Bad thumbnails and titles. Nobody clicks, nobody watches. Your thumbnail is your first impression. How does your thumbnail look? Your thumbnail should create curiosity and make people want to click. Before uploading a video, ask yourself, would I want to click on this thumbnail if it weren't mine? If the answer is no, change your thumbnail. Use bold text, emotion, and contrast to drag attention. Boring video openings. You actually have just 5 seconds to convince people to keep watching your video. So if you start your video with something like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, they are gone. How do you fix it? You hook your audience immediately with something shocking, funny, or relatable. Sometimes with something sad. This keeps them watching. The third mistake we make is not giving people reason to stay. Let's be honest, if your video is dragging or too slow, trust me, people will leave. Remember, the longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes your content. Quick fix. Keep your videos fast-paced and cut out every unnecessary pauses. And use curiosity to make people want to stay till the end. We small YouTubers struggle because we still don't understand how YouTube works. But now that you know the mistakes, go fix them. Before you go, don't forget to like, drop a comment if you found this video interesting, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you get updated once I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Faith Woko, and I'll see you in my next one.